Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 10 III and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we can open camera settings. Here let's focus on common category. At the first place now we have save location option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, and this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera and let me try to take a photo. To see it, let's go to right button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my picture. To check its location, we have to simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we have more details and the map with full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.